What's going on, guys? Koozie F30 here. I just picked up my charge pipe, or not picked up, but it just got dropped off. And my first impressions of this thing are very high. This is way better quality than the VRSF part I put on the other side. It comes with the gaskets, the clips, the VRSF one you had to replace all of these. This little pretty guy is getting covered up. Sucks to start. Can't see this thing anyways. Oh shit. There's no way that's long enough. It might. We'll see. We'll see. What are you doing, guys? Yeah, we're good. That's a tight fit. Alright, cool. I had some trouble getting the first coupler on. I wasn't able to film it. But it's on there now. Like, that ain't going nowhere. Like, it's on there. You can't even really see it unless I, like, got in there. That guy. This was a pain in the ass, so I didn't really have enough room to slide the front and the back on at the same time. So I had to, I had to come down here and I had to drop the, damn, there's no light. I had to drop the bolt for my intercooler and I had to slide the intercooler down about an inch or two. And hopefully I can get this coupler in now. We'll see right now. Okay, so I was like super struggling to get them both to slide all the way on, like together pretty much. But what I had to do is put it all together as one unit, pretty much like the OEM piece, and then slide it in. But I also had to have my intercooler unbolted from the bottom side so you could pull it down and force the low end of the boost pipe on. Because if you can get the front end on easy, it's the back end that they struggle with. All that's left is to tighten these guys down, and then I'm gonna pop these clips in because they're easy to pop in from the outside, and then I'm gonna go give it a test drive. How do they expect 24 PSI to go through some bullshit like this? I'm beat. That was way more difficult than it should have been. Like, I don't know if that was my fault or if, like, I know it was like a super precise fit. Like, both ends like had to be so perfectly attached or it just wouldn't slide the like clips back in. And I ended up going back down like 3 times because I thought I had it all good. I was like, this has to be perfect. Like, I know I have it all in correctly. I went for my drive and I sounded like a jet. Like, all the boost was just coming straight off the turbo out. And the part that attaches to the intercooler, I didn't have that clip. It slid in and clipped, but it wasn't clipped to the intercooler. So I actually had to disconnect the intercooler again and disconnect it from the top side, do the bottom side first, and it was just such a pain in the ass to force the top side in, but I eventually got it. I just did my test drive. Everything sounds good. I still have a boost leak somewhere. I mean, it almost sounds like it's on the charge pipe side, so maybe what I did just now on the bottom side needs to be done on the same side, like on the charge pipe side. I don't know. I mean, I'm good now. I'd never get a check engine light for like a boost leak or anything, but I hear a high-pitched whistle all the time, so I just kind of assume it's a boost leak. There's no way my turbo sounds like that. Like, I don't even have an intake, so it shouldn't be that loud. Yeah, I mean, I guess my first impression would be that when I press the gas, it feels like it's then. Like, it just feels like I got better throttle response. The car is obviously not going to feel faster from something like that, but the original pipe is like squishy coolant, like a coolant hose, like a rubber squishy hose. And that doesn't make sense to me to come directly off a turbo to an intercooler and be squishy like that. Like my car runs like 24 PSI, at least that's what the sensor says at the on the charge pipe, with the pre-throttle MAF sensor says I have like about 24 PSI. That's a lot of boost to be going through some squishy rubber hose. So I'm glad that it's anodized aluminum now. I mean, I'm pretty sure one end is CNC, like machine finished, but the other side I think is just like cut. Like I don't know. It fits and it looks better. I don't really, it doesn't make any sound difference. The car is not faster, but I mean, it feels better and it looks better. And now I know that it's safer. So that's all that matters. This is the boost pipe install from Koozie F30. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.